Do you want your child to become like Shashi Tharoor, S. Shankar or Palki Sharma? Then stay tuned with us. Because we are going to talk about that one common factor जो हमारे चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया IAS IPS ऑफिसर या हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी किया है. So what is this common factor? Consider three names from which we started this video: S. Shankar, Palki Sharma and Shashi Tharoor. Whenever they go on international platforms, we take pride in them, right? Now let's have a look over their qualification background. Shashi Tharoor has bachelor's in history, master's and PhD in international relations. S. Shankar ji has bachelor's and master's in political science and PhD in international relations. Palki Sharma has bachelor's in journalism and master's in communication and journalism. While we tend to take pride in them, we often ignore the fact that they all have knowledge of the subjects which comes under one stream, that is humanities. The reason behind their fame and their success is their knowledge which comes from the subjects of humanities. So what are these subjects? Humanities offer you subjects like history, political science, economics, geography, psychology, sociology, legal studies. Many schools in India often have a combination of arts with humanities. In such scenarios, you might witness subjects like fashion studies, home science, music, dance, fine arts, and physical education. So now the question arises, when and why your child should pick humanities? Because it is not easy. So what skill sets are required for these subjects? If your child is interested in solving mysteries or puzzles, they are curious about knowing how the society has evolved, then archaeology and anthropology is the field for them. If your child has good social skills, orientation skills, is interested in geopolitics, or have the knowledge of the reforms and the policies that are required for a country to become a better nation, then politics and international relations is right choice for them. If your child is adamant in argument, have good debate skills, and often takes stand for others, notices even the smallest details, then maybe legal field is the correct choice for them. Humanities open many career options for you, journalism, UPSC and what not. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि identify your talent, polish it with the correct knowledge to enhance your skills. And only then, just like you must have heard in Hanuman Chalisa, Asht Siddhi Nav Nidhi ke Data. Humanities teaches you all the Asht Siddhis, and if you learn and have knowledge of all of them, only then you can have all the Nav Nidhis, the 9 treasures of life.